Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to slice pork like a pro, just like they do in your favorite restaurants. Let's get started. First things first, let's prep our tools. You'll need a sharp knife for this. A dull knife makes it harder to get those perfect slices, so I'm sharpening mine right now. See that? A few strokes on the sharpening stone, and we're good to go. A sharp knife is your best friend in the kitchen. Now, let's start with the pork. I'm using a pork shoulder here, but you can use loin or any cut you like. First, I'll cut it into manageable pieces. Cut it into pieces like this, nice and even. This makes it easier to slice thinly later. Take your time here, no rush. Alright, now the fun part, slicing it thin. Hold the pork firmly with one hand, and use your sharp knife to cut across the grain. Keep the slices super thin, about 1 to 2 millimeters if you can. Look at that. Thin slices like these are perfect for stir fries or hot pots. Keep going until you've sliced all your pieces. Once you've got your slices, it's time to marinate. This is the secret to that tender, restaurant-style pork. Add a pinch of salt, a splash of cooking oil, a tablespoon of corn flour for that silky texture, and finally, a bit of cold water, just enough to coat everything. Now, here is the magic step. Use your hands to crumble the pork softly. This helps the marinade soak in and keeps the meat tender. Do this for about 10 minutes. See how it's all coming together. The pork should feel soft and slightly sticky. That's when you know it's ready. And there you have it, perfectly sliced and marinated pork, ready for your next dish. Whether it's a stir fry or something else, you're all set to cook like a restaurant chef. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking, everyone!